Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a budget in Emma. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. How many of you have ever tried to create a budget and failed? I know I have. I've tried all sorts of different budgeting methods, but I could never stick to them for more than a few weeks. I finally found success with Emma. Emma is a personal finance app that makes it easy to create and track your budget. It's also very affordable, and you can get a free trial to see if it's right for you. So, how do you create a budget in Emma? I'm going to walk you through the steps, one by one. Step 1. Sign up for a free Emma account. If you don't already have an Emma account, you can sign up for one for free. Step 2. Connect your bank accounts. Once you have an Emma account, you need to connect your bank accounts. This will allow Emma to track your income and expenses. Step 3. Set up your budget. Once you have connected your bank accounts, you can set up your budget. Emma will ask you some questions about your income and expenses. Based on your answers, Emma will create a budget for you. Step 4. Track your spending. Once you have a budget set up, you need to track your spending. Emma will track your spending for you automatically. You can also track your spending manually by entering transactions into the app. Step 5. Review your budget regularly. It's important to review your budget regularly to make sure that you are on track. Emma will send you notifications if you are overspending or underspending. That's it. Creating a budget in Emma is easy and effective. It's a great way to get your finances under control and start saving money. Here are some additional tips for using Emma. Use the Emma app to set up automatic savings goals. Use the Emma app to track your investments. Use the Emma app to get personalized financial advice. Use the Emma app to set up automatic savings goals. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. You can set up a goal to save a certain amount of money each month or to save for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. Use the Emma app to track your investments. If you have any investments, you can track them in Emma. This will help you to keep track of your progress and make sure that you are on track to meet your financial goals. Use the Emma app to get personalized financial advice. Emma can provide you with personalized financial advice based on your budget and goals. This can help you to make better financial decisions. Emma is a great tool for creating and tracking your budget. It's easy to use and affordable, and it can help you to save money and reach your financial goals. I would highly recommend Emma to anyone who is looking for a way to get their finances under control. I hope this video has helped you learn how to create a budget in Emma. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to answer any questions you have. Until next time, happy budgeting.